And now in 2c, we need to express this equation in vertex form by completing the square. So recall that we want to turn this form into this form right here. X squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared. So we could factor this into x plus b over 2 all to the power of 2. So we have x squared plus 8x. This is the x squared plus bx. So let's leave these 6 aside for now. Let's pretend we had this b over 2 squared, so we could factor this into this. So the b is the coefficient in front of the x, which is the 8. So we have the 8, that's divided by 2, and then squared. So let's pretend we had this. This can be factored into this form right here. But then we can't just add this right here because we never had that. We actually need to subtract by 8 over 2 squared now, the same number. This way, this and this, they cancel, and we have the original equation. So what we did here is pretty much manipulate this so that we can factor this in a way that we want without changing the equation. So when we do that, this can be factored into x plus 8 over 2 squared. And then obviously 8 over 2 is 4, so that's 4 squared plus 6. As mentioned, 8 over 2 is 4, so that's x plus 4 squared. And we know that 4 squared is 16, so that's minus 16 plus 6. And then we get x plus 4 all to the power of 2, and then minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10.